Hello, this is Eric Baird with ReLISTO, Leasing and Property Management here in San Francisco. Today I'm excited to be sharing with you 1862 Page Street. It's right behind me, the beautifully painted blue building. Actually newly painted. The owner just painted the whole thing, so it looks absolutely gorgeous. If you're not familiar with Page Street, this is one of the slow streets in San Francisco. As you notice, there's no traffic, and this is during the middle of the week, but usually there'll be bicyclists, walkers, strollers, people playing ball. Again, this is one of the new public type parks that have been created on these streets, which is absolutely amazing to be in front of. Right over there is Haight Street. You have the university right up the street as well. So let's come on in. I'm going to flip the view and let's get inside the property, which is what you want to see. Okay, as we're coming up on 1862 apartment number 2, we just greeted by this beautiful building. There's multiple apartments in the building itself. Only 2 at this level. Mailboxes. There is a backyard as well that you get to enjoy. All right, so first there's a long hallway in which you travel down, and this really does give the sense that this is your private hallway because there's only one unit here. So before we go into the bedrooms, let's first go into the main room. So again, very, very big space. So let's first start in the living room because this is gorgeous. So super big room, tall ceilings, picture shelving up at the top, and nice big heater to keep everyone warm, hardwood floors. And everything is really fresh because everything was just painted. Those are double pane windows to keep the warmth in, and of course the sound out. Of course, this is a garden view, so you're not going to have, this is a pretty quiet area of the building. Again, look at these tall ceilings. Lots of picture railing, which is gorgeous. And then brand new kitchen. Look at this. This is just gorgeous. 5-burner gas range, under the lighting in the hood. Lots of cabinets, dishwasher, deep sink, cabinetry. And then you have a pantry area here. I left the door open, but lots of shelving, big farmer drawers right there. This is an optional shelving if you so desire. And go from there. Now, let's start going into the bedroom. So bedroom number 1 is right here. So this is a loft type bedroom. So you have the functionality of sleeping either at the top or if you want to put a bed down here. Lots of windows here. And then this one has a toilet. That, depending on the arrangement, you can share. Going to the door here, you then come into the bathroom. This is the sink and the tub and shower combination. So nice big soak tub. All right, let's go through the living room again. So again, this is very functional, so the rest of the household can enjoy it as well. Going down the hall, and again, if we went left, that would be the kitchen. But going right is bedroom number 2. Look at the big window, double pane, big closet at the end, picture railing, tall ceiling. So you really, in your own personal heater. Again, it gives that the ceilings just make the place just immense. Here's bedroom number 3. Nice big closet. Let's share the closet with you on this one. So you can see the closets go pretty far back. It has some built-in drawers. Again, brand new windows, tall ceilings. Here we have another split bathroom. Split bathrooms are, hey, how's it going? Split bathrooms are wonderful because, multiple people can utilize, either take a tub, sink. Here's some closets, cabinet space for your enjoyment, and here's a separate toilet. Again, this allows someone to be using the toilet while another person is taking a bath while everyone has privacy. And last but not least, the the last bedroom. Again, good sized room, double pane windows. You living here, you do have the option of requesting a door for that. The last tenancy, they requested that there would be no door, so that's why that's there, but that's an optional. Let's go into the laundry room. So we're going to back down the hallway and we're going to be going down these stairs. Okay, one flight of stairs down, and voila, laundry room, coin and or phone payments. All right, I'll see you at the top. Hey again. Okay, so we're back up in the living room now. If you have any more questions, a lot of them can be answered by going to the website. There's also showing schedules and agents to contact. Again, this is July 2022. If you're interested in the property, give us check those links out and send us a message. One thing I do want to mention, there is a huge backyard back here. So owner's cleaning up, it's gonna be really nice. So come check that out when you're here. All right, cheers, bye-bye.